Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to tell you how to resolve background color issue when copying a drawing file in Word document. So let's select the entity in IGiS CAD and copy it using COPYCLIP command. Now, navigate to MS Word document and paste the file over here. So here the background color is black, but we need the background as white. So let's navigate back to IGiS CAD and enter OLE command for background color. Now enter a new value for OLE background. So for white, enter 7. Now again select the entity and copy using COPYCLIP command. And now come back to Word document and paste. So here we got the white background. Thank you for watching the video.